Hi guys, it's Amar here. So today I will be doing a special unboxing video of this Cadbury Silk. You can call this as a funny video or something. I don't care, but I had to do this because these chocolates are so costly. I'll show you the price of this little box. It's 450 bucks. I bought this, alright, for my sister, which she doesn't deserve, but still I got it because I'm a great brother. Alright, so I'll just open it and let you know that what is there inside. Why I don't know why, what is there, like it's made of some gold or something like that. So according to me, there will be like, as I have see here, it is written 16 luxurious pralines wrapped in delicious chocolates, Cadbury chocolate with indulgent चॉकलेटी फीलिंग समथिंग. सो भाई अगर चॉकलेट खानी है तो फिर ले आओ बाहर से, कितने की 5-10 रुपए की मिलती है, दैट्स इट. बट स्टिल दिस इज ऑल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, इट्स जस्ट अ पैकिंग एंड ऑल, you are just paying for the packaging, and as you can see, this is so tight. I think there's a seal. Yeah, here is the seal. So I will just open it. That's it. इतनी बड़ी सील थी इसकी. Okay, so it is opening now. So this is the front cover, that's it. Okay, so this is it. This much packaging for just a chocolate. भाई अगर कैडबरी सेलिब्रेशन होती तो then I'll understand, because they are giving it very cheap, although not a cheap, but it's in a packaging so that we can buy and gift it. So वो एक था कि चलो let's buy it for your sister and सस्ते में काम पड़ जाता है. बट ये साले डेयरी मिल्क वाले 450 का डब्बा, ये 450, 450 bucks for this box. Let's see ऐसा क्या दिया है इन लोग ने अंदर. पता नहीं, कुछ तो था शायद से वैल्यूबल थिंग और समथिंग गोल्डन. I'll just open it. माँ किस्म, इतना क्या पैकेजिंग करके रखा है यार. इट्स लाइक द courier is sending me in courier something. Sorry if I'm embarrassing you. अरे यार ये सी 450 रुपये इस चीज़ का ही लेते, so that people struggle to open it. So I am opening finally. Wow. Although it's looking a beautiful thing, but is it worth? I don't know, because it's awesome in looks. बस ये चॉकलेट है, बस दैट्स इट. सो कितनी चॉकलेट है? 1 2 3 4 4 6 16. ऑलराइट. So 16 chocolates, as it was written on this box, 16 luxurious pralines. I don't know what that is. So I'll just open this one and show you, because अगर इससे ज़्यादा खोला मैंने तो फिर मेरी माँ मारेगी मुझे. This is it. बस इतनी सी चॉकलेट, दैट्स इट. दिस इज हाउ स्मॉल इट इज. ऑलराइट, सो वी आर पेइंग 450 bucks for 16 pieces of this. It is as good as you buy that Amul something, that जानवरों वाला candy, the shapes of animals are there. It's way more cheaper than this. But I know the box is like too fancy, but हाँ यार, वो भी है कि लड़कियाँ थोड़ी समझेगी यार कि दे जस्ट वांट द लुक्स इन ऑल. अभी उसके अंदर क्या है वो क्या मालूम उनको. ऑलराइट, सो आई विल जस्ट क्रैक दिस ओपन एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट इज देयर इनसाइड. अरे माँ कसम, लुक एट इट. ओह वाह, इट्स सो क्रीमी. Okay, so I don't mind paying 450 bucks for this. नहीं, I mind paying because it's my hard money. Alright, but So it's so good. Okay. So as I was sorry, तेरे लिए है ना बाद में खाने लगा. Okay, so yummy. Yes, it is yummy. Yes, it tastes good. It tastes good. It just made my tongue slippery. So it tastes good, but still, यार 450 bucks में इतना डब्बा. Just look at the box, यार. It's such a gorgeous thing. ऐसा लगता है ये 3D है, but it is not. नहीं, ये भी नहीं. Nice, but still, I would suggest you. Sorry, there was a chocolate on my hand, on my finger. So I would just suggest you to buy something good for your sister rather than this chocolates. These chocolates are very expensive, and I'm telling you, these are not worth 450 bucks. और तो फिर भी तुम मेरी क्यों सुनोगे, राइट? तुम्हारी सिस्टर तुमको मानेगी, तुम्हें पैसे देना है, लेकिन फिर भी दैट्स जस्ट माई ओपिनियन. ऑलराइट, सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट मैं डिस्ग्रेस कर रहा हूँ ये कंपनी को. दिस कंपनी हैज़ बीन इन इंडिया फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. आई रिमेंबर eating Cadbury Dairy Milk, which is there now for around 15 to 20 rupees. I got it in 5 rupees. I remember that. लेकिन अभी इतना लूटोगे तो भाई अभी क्या करेंगे हम? लग्जीरियस शिट, इससे अच्छा 5 रुपये वाली चोकोबार खा लो यार, वो अच्छा लगेगा. 450 bucks for each, not for each, sorry, for this 16. So it would be, so just calculate कर लो यार, अभी मैं नहीं calculate कर सकता. So और भी मैंने boxes लाए like this, sorry, this rich dry fruit celebration. This box is for 400. It is also for 400. ये डब्बा, it's for 400. I believe if you buy this chocolates, it's better you go for Kaju Katli, because that would be real cheap. This is the smaller and this is the bigger one. Okay. पता नहीं क्या करेगी मेरी बहन. 650. Just look at the prices यार. 650. So the total I spent on these chocolates was around 1250, which is 10% of my salary. Alright, good. I'm just regretting the moment I went to buy these chocolates, because I went into that, what we say, the moment. It was just shit. Alright, chalo. Alright guys, so like, subscribe, comment, गालियाँ दे दो, जो करना है करो, but do something. And please do not forget to watch my previous video on OLX scam. I think it's a bit good thing and very informative. I think you would be able to learn something from that, and you will be able to save some money. Alright, so please like, subscribe, or comment, or do something यार. देख लो, देखने के बाद बंद कर दो, बट एक जन तो भाई सब्सक्राइब कर लो. ऑलराइट, आडियोस.